Let's look at the Cool Energy Avalanche air conditioning unit. Delivery is normally made using our tail lift vehicle. Operating around the clock, same-day delivery is common. This unit consists of an indoor and an outdoor unit. Connection is simple using quick-fit connectors for the water flow, the water return, condensate, and finally electrical connection. All powered by a standard 3-pin domestic plug. The simplicity continues outside. Fan spacer, electrical connection, flow, condensate and return connection. The external unit can be up to 30 meters from the internal unit. Once connected, simply push into position for use. Controls allow users to adjust fan speed and temperature. The Avalanche simple setup allows us to operate it across a broad range of applications and environments. Offices, data centers, and anywhere where control is required quickly and easily. The Avalanche is an ideal low noise unit. Compact, lightweight, easy to use, the Avalanche can be either installed by our trained and qualified engineers or by the customer themselves. Cool Energy's extensive stock ensures that we have equipment available for same-day dispatch 24 hours a day.